Good everyone. Buhari has come to Imo State and he has left. However, there are two videos that I think, to many people, they might seem a little bit of dishonesty here. One is that for the first time in Imo State, as the people say, that they see where their government can actually clean the street. Because I think it rained before the president came. So in this video you will see where the Imo State governor used the fire service to wash the street. Yes, you heard me right. Wash the street. These are things that one and every, citizen know that in many countries of the world, even in some African countries, the streets are being cleaned, with the sweepers, street sweepers, and sometimes areas that are very dirty are jet washed. But here in this part of the world, it's nothing that is done until there is a presidential visit where we want to delude ourselves and where we want to deceive someone who is coming without knowing how the environment looked. The other video is the video of how, or rather the behind the scene video of how they actually got those people you saw around there. People were paid to come out and welcome the president. Again, people were paid. But in the normal Nigerian way, of course, how would you know that people were paid if they didn't fight, if they didn't scramble for their funds? No one. And many people that ought to also even have paid them didn't give them the dignity of paying them for whatever they agreed on. Rather, at some point when fracas ensued, they had to throw these monies in the air. As usual, because you are the downtrodden, because you're being treated without respect. That's why they want you to actually go after this money that's thrown up in the air. People, 2023 is here before us. We must get it right. I'll let you watch the video now. And I am Mazi. It's okay. Have a blessed day.
This is our eye service governor, Hope Uzodimma, in a bid to satisfy and pacify his president and Commander-in-Chief Buhari that visiting him will stay by tomorrow. You can imagine. He has employed a service of firefighters to use their water dispenser to wash the road he will be commissioning with soap and omo. You can imagine. You can imagine. You can imagine. Okay.
Time to share money. Time to share money. Time to share money. Oh, Nigerians, oh, wow. Well.